Hi, it's me again. How are you? Are you drawing everything you like? Tell me below what you like to draw. Today I'm doing a short talk on personal branding for artists. The most difficult thing to do in these cases is starting over. You have to give up on all the history you have with your old account and start from zero. It sounds rough, but it's not that hard, especially if you haven't reached the kind of personal achievement that you want. You have a goal, you want 1,000 subscribers, you don't have them, you start over. I'm not saying you need to do a new account every month. Obviously, that's useless. You won't have the amount of art you need to back that up. But you have to understand that your followers, if you have them, will be there. And if you can deliver a drawing for them sometimes, once a week or so, a doodle or something, they will stay. You don't have to close your old accounts. You can keep them. See what happens. If the change is worth the work. For example, you started drawing anime because it was pretty and everyone seemed to like it on the internet, and you said, "This is it." But no one really likes your work, yourself, because it looks just like everybody else's anime style on the webs. So that's the moment when you can walk away and try something new. Not completely give up on the things you like, but try to make it your own. Or maybe you don't have to start over. You just have to try something differently in secret. You don't have the courage to try something different because you never tried that before. Well, you can keep it for yourself till you believe you're ready to show it to the world. And if you never do, if you're never ready, well, that's okay too. Your only competition is yourself. You from yesterday against you from today. You have nothing to prove to anyone else. It's just you and your art, you and your progress, you and your goals. And you have to learn to understand what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong and why you need the change. If it's just a whim, well, if you have the time, you can engage in it. If it's something worth your time, if it's something that you believe that might become amazing, then invest in it. Put your soul in it. Everything. Not just try it a bit, then give up, or just change your mind, or do it halfway. You have to go. You have to commit. You have to drive yourself in. Be brave. And remember, you don't have to show it to the world. You can keep it to yourself. You don't have to tell your other account, your other followers that you're starting a new account and you have new followers. You can keep them separate. You can wear as many hats as you want. Nobody's gonna stop you. The only thing that can stop you is yourself. How many things you can do at the same time. Make sure you know that. And I have a quote for you today. You don't choose your passions. Your passion choose you. Jeff Bezos. Same as always. See you next time. Bye.